Here's a pre-calculus AB question about, given this quadratic inequality, graph it and give the vertex. Well, I can do this two ways. I can use negative b, where this is ax squared, get a pen, ax squared plus bx plus c. I'm going to do negative b over 2a to get the x coordinate of the vertex, and then plug that into the equation to get the y coordinate. So I'll show that first and graph it, and then I will do it the other way to turn into the vertex form. So negative b is negative 4, divided by 2 times 2, which is 4, which is negative 1. So that's the x coordinate of the vertex. If I plug that back in, 2 times negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1 plus 5 is 2 minus 4 plus 5 equals 7 minus 4 is 3. So negative 1, 3. So negative 1, 3 is the vertex. Negative 1, 3. And then I might want to find 2 points. I'll find the y-intercept. When x is 0, 2 times 0 squared plus 4 times 0, that's 0 plus 5. So it's at 5. And then I guess I'll do negative 2. 2 times negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 plus 5 is 8 minus 8 plus 5 equals 5. So at negative 2, it's also at 5. And now I can draw the graph. I'm not an artiste, so please forgive me. I want to draw it to the very ends of this thing because I have to shade it. It's greater than or equal to, meaning it's shaded above. Now I will do it the other way, where I complete the square to find the vertex form of the equation. The vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, where hk is the vertex. And I will do this by completing the square, so I'm going to do 2x squared plus 4x, and I'll put the 5 over here. I want to factor 2 out of those, so I'm going to go 2. I always want whatever's in front of x squared to just be 1 when I'm completing the squared. So x squared, 4 divided by 2, is 2 plus 2x. I'm going to leave space there, plus 5. So now I take half of 2 as 1. So this is going to be 2. I got to bring that 2 down. X plus 1 squared. And then what's 1 squared? That's 1. And then what's 2? I can't just do the 1. I got to do 2 times 1. That's 2. So actually I added 2. So I also have to subtract 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is plus 3. So again, hk, negative 1, 3 is the vertex because it's x minus h squared plus k. And then I could graph 2 points. I could do x is, when x is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 1, 1 squared is 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. So I got that. And then for negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 squared is 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. So I get the same 2 points. And then again, I graph above it. And whenever I'm doing these inequalities, I draw it to the ends of the graph so that I can see exactly where the shading is. And let me show you on Desmos. Here's one I've already done. I've already put in the equation, and you can see it's what I drew on the board there. And if I put it in the y is greater than or equal to, and what did I get? 2 x plus 1 squared plus 3. Same exact equation. So there it is, graphing that inequality. Same inequality, rather, is what I meant to say.